Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am making stir-fried rice with chicken and shrimp. I have some vegetables here that I prepared earlier. So I'm going to add all these vegetables to my dish. So I start off with adding some oil to the pan. Then I'm going to fry the shrimp first because that cooks pretty quick. So the shrimp is now done and I'm going to set it aside. Then I'll use the same pan to cook the chicken. I seasoned the chicken earlier on and put it in the fridge to marinate. I seasoned it with black pepper, salt, and some garlic powder. So now I'm going to cook this chicken until it's ready. If you're still watching, please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I'm gonna go in with some onions and some garlic. And I'll give it a good stir. I'll let it cook for a minute. I'm going to add some sweet soy sauce. Stir everything together. Then I bring in the yellow bell pepper, the orange bell pepper, the red bell pepper. I'm going to give this a good stir. You want your peppers to be a little crunchy and not overcooked. It's looking good, so now I'm going to add the shrimp. So now it's time for me to add the rice. I cooked the rice earlier on and let it cool. Now I add it and give it a good mix. I want everything to incorporate properly. My dish is looking ready. So I'm going to add some garnish, adding some parsley. For this dish, you can use any other protein of your choice. My dish is ready. Try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section. Happy cooking, everyone. See you in my next video. Bye.